welcome to my channel. Is your vision of shabby chic style fading? These secrets will revive it. My name is Josie and today we will explore the charming world of shabby chic decor and how you can transform every room in your home into a cozy and stylish retreat. The last tip is essential to achieving your style. Shabby chic decor is characterized by its vintage charm, soft colors, and a relaxed, lived-in feel. It combines elegance with comfort, making it perfect for creating a warm and inviting environment. Living room. Let's start with the living room. Start by selecting a neutral color palette, such as soft whites, creams, and pastels. Incorporate vintage furniture, such as a distressed coffee table or antique dresser, to add personality. Decorate with delicate lace doilies, vintage books, and lovely lamps. These elements will enhance the cozy atmosphere and create an inviting space for family and friends. Color palette. Start with a soothing color palette. Soft pastels, whites, and muted earth tones create a serene atmosphere. Consider painting your walls in a light shade to serve as a perfect backdrop for your decor. Textiles. Textiles play a crucial role in achieving the shabby chic style. Incorporate soft fabrics like linen, cotton, and lace. Throw pillows and throws with floral prints or soft textures will enhance the cozy feel of your space. Accessories. Accessories are the finishing touch. Antique mirrors, delicate vases filled with fresh flowers, and rustic lanterns can enhance your decor. Feel free to mix and match different styles to create a personalized touch. Each video is designed to inspire your creativity and help you create an environment that reflects your personal style and explore its many facets. Dining room. Next, focus on furniture. Look for antique or vintage pieces that display a distressed finish. Distressed wood tables, overstuffed sofas, and chic armchairs can add character and warmth to your cottage. Kitchen. Next, let's transform the kitchen. Open shelving is a hallmark of shabby chic design, allowing you to display your beautiful tableware and vintage finds. Choose floral patterns and pastel colors for your dishes to maintain that charming aesthetic. Consider using mismatched chairs around your dining table for an eclectic style. A rustic centerpiece, such as a vase filled with fresh flowers, will complete the cozy vibe. Bedroom. Moving on to the bedroom, opt for a vintage bed frame and top it with soft, textured linens. Incorporate pastel colors and floral patterns to create a peaceful retreat. A cozy reading nook by the window. Add accent pillows and a cozy reading nook by the window, where you can relax and enjoy the serene atmosphere of your shabby chic sanctuary. DIY projects, bonus tip. Embrace your creativity with DIY projects. Repurposing old furniture or creating your own wall art can add a unique style to your cottage. Remember, imperfections are the stars of the shabby chic style, so this is the most important point. See how each piece of furniture is highlighted with reused details that can become the center of attention in any space in your home. If you are looking to transform your home into a space that radiates warmth and personality, you can't miss our videos dedicated to this style, and watch the video below.